Okay, so to swap out your sump pump, this one was lucky that it had a rubber gasket on here, a Fernco, so I just unscrewed it and popped it off. And then this was screwed onto the old one, so I just unscrewed it. And I actually have the same brand pump for the new guys, so I can just thread this right into the brand new pump. And this doesn't have to be watertight really, like crank it down or tape it or dope this seal in here, because it's going to be underneath the water all the time and it just pressures and threads up. So you just want to make sure where this pipe is going that when I put this on, the new float is in a position where it's not going to get caught on the side of the pail and not work. So I make sure it lined up. I could rotate this way, which I like that better. That puts this float right dead center in the thing when I hook it back up. And then I'm just going to drop this in there, slide it in here and tighten the gasket back up, plug it in and make sure it works. And it's pretty much as simple as that. If I didn't have this on here, this Fernco, I would just take my pipe cutters and cut this and then do almost the exact same thing, but then we'd end up doing a glue fitting. So once I'm done, I glue this on and glue it on there and pop it in place and you're good. Sometimes you need to adjust the height if you've got a different size pump, but you can just do that by cutting the coupling here and adjusting your height and adding a piece if you need to, but it's really about that simple.